I notice say you dey insist say dem no put professor before your name. Professor no be name. Adams Oshiomole. Welcome to Synod Media. Abeg, if you never subscribe to our channel, make you do so now. Put on your notification, like, comment, and share our videos. Senator Adams Oshiomole don blast Lezaasi Lenee Torbira, one of the commissioners who dey claim and insist say dem suppose add professor to im name as dem come Senate screening. This hot exchange happen during the screening of nominees for the Rivers State Independent Electoral Commission, where Oshiomole come dey question the insistence on academic title for process when e dey meant to assess competence and integrity. Oshiomole emphasize for one video when they post on YouTube say they get need for humility and ethical conduct, especially from people within academia. He argue say the true worth of a professor lie not be for im title but for im character, especially the one wey dem dey use take dey mentor students so that the students themselves go dey sound for character and for learning. The issue my brother raise na simply that where dem need men and women of character na from the university system, where you suppose produce students when e dey worthy for character and learning. So I no want make you get away with the notion say dem must put professor before your name. And like I tell my colleagues here, professor no be person name, na title. For some other jurisdiction where ethics dey strong, the moment you stop to dey teach, you no get right again to dey brag about your professor around.